Hey everyone, so it's been a long time since I last filmed a video and posted it on here, but today I'm going to be tackling my wardrobe and all of my stuff on my floor. I have a lot of clothes and I asked on Instagram and most of you guys said you wanted to see a video, so here we are. Sorry I look like a mess. I just got out of the shower, that's why my fringe is all wet, and yes I do have a fringe if you didn't know. And my cheeks are super red and I was in the sun and I'm breaking out, but here I am, you know, living my life. So yes, I'm gonna just be doing a cleaning out my wardrobe video. It's probably gonna be mostly time-lapsed, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm filming on my phone because I got a new phone and the quality is pretty good I think, and I want to try it out. And my other camera quality isn't that great that I've been using for the past like 5 years. When I film videos, like the quality is like pretty bad, so I think my phone is better. But yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I just want to show you like what I need to go through. I just have like a bunch of clothes down here to sell. That's like a box of actual clothes that I wear. But in these two cupboards, this is where I like most of my jackets. So pretty much this entire thing is jackets. Down here I have like a couple dresses, and things I want to hang, t-shirts, whatever, socks, and then a bunch of sweaters, jackets. I feel like I won't even get to that today, but the main part I want to focus on is down here for me to actually get to. So this is pretty much like, that's all my bottoms, so skirts, shorts, a lot of pants, all my tops, and then all my pajamas and hoodies, whatever. But okay, the thing is, there's like 3 piles at the back as well, so there's a lot to tackle. I'm probably just going to chuck it all in my bed, sort out what I want to keep and whatnot, and let's do this.
Cashmere, baby, why don't you come back to bed?
Okay, so this was that. How did that fit? I don't know, but these are all my tops. Yay! 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 It just keeps going, haha.
Middle of the morning, what you think you're doing? With red silk running round in my bed. Cashmere, baby, why don't you come back to bed?
These are tops I want to get rid of or sell. I'll probably just try and sell most of those, and then from here onwards these are all the tops to keep, which is still a lot, but yeah, I still wear a lot of these. And then there's some in here that I just don't want to get rid of because sentimental value, but I did get rid of a lot, so you know, that's okay. So I just cut up a box, it was some Puma box, and I'm gonna put all my underwear and bras in here and then slide that in there because at the moment it's like a massive mess. I just had the longest break ever, but I'm gonna get back to this. Help! have this clear box that I think I'm gonna use to put some of my like smaller tops in, so like little boob tubes, things like this, you know. So I just got a bunch of stuff for free from Hype, so yeah, that's that. Or I might use a Nike box, I don't know, we'll see what fits better.
In my head, Cashmere, baby, why don't you come back to bed?
So this is my tops, underwears, bras section. I really like this box in here. It just kind of keeps everything in place. We'll see how that goes over time, because I tend to just like tuck stuff in when I can't fit it. But I've gotten rid of a lot of tops. Like if you saw it before, that's all the stuff I want to get rid of. So yeah, that's good. Progress. Now moving on to the pants, bottoms. It's stacked really neatly. It's just like I can't see anything in there. That's the only thing. And I want to get rid of a couple things. So yeah.
Recently I've suddenly pondered, spent my nights awake and I wonder what I could have done in another way to make you stay. So mama tells me that I shouldn't bother, but I should just stick to another girl, a girl that surely deserves me, but I think you do. So baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. You're a freak.
Okay, so my current situation is that I'm not sure if I want to sell these overalls or not, just like this, or if I should attempt to make them into a top and jeans. The only thing is, they're this much wider like than my waist, even more than that. Like, do you see how much bigger these overalls are on my waist? Like, I don't know how to make that work into jeans, but if I made it into a two-piece it would be so cute, so I don't know what to do. I'm so tempted to just like chop this off though, but they're so nice that I could sell them. Okie dokie. Also, those are the pants I was wearing before, but I'm like trying the overalls. But all of this I'm going to be selling. Yeah, so keep an eye out on Second Time New on Instagram, my Depop Fashion Man beanie, and Carousel Tara Chandra. This, I kind of only really wanted to focus on doing my tops and my bottoms. So that's the final product. Super clean, got rid of so many tops, organized that. My pajamas are still a mess, but I don't really care about that right now. Just trying to do the main sections, and I did go through this part of my closet. I don't have that much stuff hanging here, and there are still like a couple of things I want to get rid of, but I'm just gonna keep that as it is for now because I have so much stuff to sell at the moment anyway. But yeah, I got rid of maybe like 2 jackets, I think, which isn't that much, but a lot of these are my grandpa's old ones, so I don't want to get rid of them. And then I just have a lot of random other ones that I probably could get rid of, but they're just gonna live in my closet for a bit longer because I'm a hoarder. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Go shop my stuff. Hopefully it's all up by the time this video is up. I think it's gonna be a super quick edit, so I might still be in the process of uploading everything. But yeah, I hope you all have a really good day, and I do want to get back into YouTube. I say this every time and then I always get busy, but I'm going to be going to London on exchange and hopefully like film some videos while I'm there, like maybe vlogs, outfit videos and stuff like that. I really do miss doing lookbooks, so I might try and get back into that before I leave. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you have any video requests. Comment them down below, and yeah. Bye!
Mama told me not to hang out with girls like you. You're bad news, baby. You got holes in your jeans and rips in your your skirts and you walk around like you